Magandang araw! In this video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung papaano ma-recover kapag na-lock ang iyong Pag-IBIG Virtual account using a smartphone. Now, if you forgot your password on Pag-IBIG Virtual account, I have another video for that in the description below. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing or liking the video. Thanks! Now, let's get started. Let's open first Pag-IBIG Virtual account. Open a Google browser or any browser of your choice. Then, type pagibigfundservices.com/virtualpagibig. I put the link below for easier access. Now hit enter. Tap I have read about the data privacy statement. Then click proceed. Now, click login. Then tap continue. Now, to give you an idea how it looks like to have a locked account, when you try to log in, it will look like this. Your Pag-IBIG account is locked because of failed attempts to log in. Blah blah blah. Now, to start unlocking our account, let's go back to login page and click unlock account. Enter your email address. Once done, click submit. Now your one-time PIN will be sent to your mobile number. Tap OK. Now, let's copy first our OTP from our SMS. Now, input the number, then click confirm. Now, we have successfully unlocked our virtual Pag-IBIG account. They will send temporary password to our email. Take note that we have sent it at 9:41 p.m. Now, let's check our email. I received the email at 9:51 p.m. So, it took exactly 10 minutes to receive it. It's very delayed if you ask me. Now, let's continue. Go back to your login page again and click first time login. Now enter our email address and then input your temporary password from your email. Once done, create a new password. Make sure it's a strong one. Now confirm your new password. Make sure to follow their tips to create a solid password. Now we are done. Let's click submit. Now, password reset successful. Let's log in now to our virtual Pag-IBIG account to see if we have access. Now, enter your email address and your password. Once done, click login. Now we have successfully accessed our Pag-IBIG virtual account. If you click the menu in the upper left corner, you can now see the different products, payments, and your account. So that's it. If you find this video useful, then please hit that subscribe button. God bless.